Okay, it's time for some math at home again, boys and girls. Last time we talked about those teen numbers. That's where most of us trip up if we're going to make a little mistake. It's right there in those teen numbers. Now, does that mean we're not going to make mistakes further on? No, we can still make a mistake here or there. But it's usually a little bit easier once we get past it because we start seeing a pattern. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a pattern, as right now we're going to talk about our numbers from 20 all the way up to 100. So we'll see how these patterns go, and we're going to be counting and recognizing those numbers, okay? To start off, the easiest thing to do is you've got to learn to count from 1 to 10. We got that, boys and girls. We've got to be practicing. We got our fingers right here. Let's do it. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Once we get to that, we've got to start practicing counting by tens to 100. So let's pretend like we're giving each other a high 10. You guys ready? And we're going to count from 10 to 100 by tens. You ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job, you guys. So if we can do those two things, if we can count to 10 by ones and we can count to 100 by tens, we just have to put those two together. And you're going to see the pattern and you're going to be able to count all the way to 100. Okay? So let's take a look at that. I'm going to show you over here with some cards. Okay, the first thing we talked about was counting by ones to 10. So let's practice that again and look at the numbers as we go. Here you go, guys. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after I said that, we have to start counting by tens to 100. So we would have started with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Those are our first two goals. Count to 10 by ones and count to 100 by tens. Now we need to put those two together. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to start at 10. And this is where we've done this before, and this is what building our teen numbers. Then we go to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we got through our teen numbers. After that, what comes after 10 when we're counting by tens? 20 does. So we got to switch it up to 20. And now here it comes easier again. We know this is 20. Now we're going to start putting our ones in again, and it's just counting by ones with a 20. It becomes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, do you remember what comes next when we're counting by tens? 10, 20, 30. So then we bring our 30 out, and guess what? We start counting over by ones again, but we just add our 30. 31. Whoops. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37, 38, and 39. So we got up to 39. What comes next? 40, And again, we're going to start over at 1, but we're going to add that 40 in. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Next one is 50. Then we start over again. It's a pattern, boys and girls. We're just adding our tens to it. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then it's into 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Then what do? Start with our ones again. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Then keep going with your ones, boys and girls. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh, we're getting so close. We got it almost, boys and girls. We can do this. We start over with our ones again. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And if you really look at it, we replace that 9 with a 10. Guys, it's a pattern. Numbers are really cool when you look at them. So, what we got to practice? What do we got to do? We got to practice our tens and our ones. If we put those together, we're going to be able to count all the way to 100. Okay, you guys. We got our counting to 1 to 100. Gotta practice it. It's not gonna be, oh, I did it one time and now I got it. No, you gotta keep practicing. So let's think of some ways you can practice. One of them can be, hey, mom and dad say dinner's ready. You get there and dinner's not ready. Well, help them out, do what you can do, but while you're doing that, count. See how long it is till dinner. Start at 1 and see how high you can get. Another thing for counting, a game I like to play, I do it in my head all the time, but you guys can be doing it and practicing too, is how many steps does it take to get somewhere? So it's time for us to go somewhere in the car. So I got to walk out to my car. How many steps is it going to take me to get to the car? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a prediction. I'm going to make a guess on how many steps I think it's going to take. And then, as I walk and each step I take, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See if we can get there, okay? And think about longer and longer trips, okay? You got to go check the mail. I'm sure you guys can help mom and dad do that. You got to take your puppies out for a walk. A lot of you guys have dogs and puppies. Count. See what you can do, okay? Find time to practice. That's the best thing we can do. Practice, practice, practice. You guys, but find fun ways to do it. I'll see you guys later.